This is a quick, easy video that helps you understand how to calculate the actual distance of objects on a map. So we're going to scale. We're learning scaling. So if we have a problem like this one that says, on a map that shows the location of houses, two houses are 10 centimeters apart. If the scale of the map is 5 centimeters to 1 kilometer, what is the actual distance between the two houses? So what this means is if you're measuring 5 centimeters on the map, that actually in real life is 1 kilometer. That's what this means. And you'll find that legend, something similar, on maps when you're looking at them. And it helps you figure out what the real distance is of objects on the map. So now the first thing we do is we write a ratio that represents the scale of the map in centimeters to kilometers. And it tells us here the legend is 5 centimeters to 1, so 5 to 1 or 5 over 1. And don't worry about the units for right now. Now the next step, write the same ratio of distance between the two houses in centimeters to kilometers. So that would look like this. 10 over d because we measured the distance is 10 centimeters on the map between the two houses. So d is the number we're trying to find in kilometers. We are trying to find the real unknown distance, not just the size on the map. So step 3, we set up a proportion to solve the unknown. So we do it like this. 5 over 1 equals 10 over d, and d is the distance we're trying to solve for. Now you just solve it like any equation. So you multiply both sides by d because we want to get rid of the d in the denominator. So when we multiply both sides by d, we can cross these out. These would cancel. So we're left with 5d equals 10. So now we divide both sides by 5 so that we could get d on its own here on this side of the equation. So when we divide both sides by 5, we're left with d equals 2. So the actual distance between the two houses is 2 kilometers. And that's it. That's how you do that type of problem. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. You'll find a link in the ebook to this very video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.